Flash flood warning for the following county: Washington, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, South Central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. and 2:37 p.m. Radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall 1 to 1.5 inches. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include Gastonville, South Park Township, Jefferson Hills, Clark, Elizabeth, Lincoln, West Elizabeth, Finleyville. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or